Hello everyone, welcome to this matrix. So guys, in this video we are going to see how we can show our output, right? We have to generate our output. So we have already trained our images for our face recognition system. So let's go ahead for our Jupyter notebook and try to open this output.ipynb, right? So what we are going to do over there, we will try to see, okay, our face recognition system is working or not, right? But first of all, let's try to understand the basic idea of that. How we can generate our output, right? Basic idea of that. If you remember that we have trained on our images on cropped image, right? On our cropped image. So what was the meaning of that? Suppose this is our whole window over there, right? This is our whole window. And with the help of this Cascade file, we have detected our this face. So what we are doing over there, we will try to manage our this window according to this size, right? We will try to convert the window of our camera to this size to prevent the unnecessary background, right? If you remember, to prevent the unnecessary background. So here also we have to do same thing, right? So we have a cropped image over there. Suppose we have this cropped image, right? So we have to pass our cropped image as well for testing, right? So it is the same code, right? Face extractor. If you remember in our first video, right? If you remember in our first video while capturing the images. Okay, so what we are going to do right now. So try to understand. First of all, we have to import our necessary libraries, right? Our important libraries like load model, because we are going to load our model over there. numpy.np to convert our image into array. Remember that. Okay, so guys, what we can do, first of all, try to import this Cascade and recognition file. I hope you remember that I have these files in my this folder, face recognition system and your Cascade file. So okay, let's go ahead and try to understand. This is the same code that I have written. Now trying to understand over there, we are going to just open our camera, right? With the help of, we will try to capture our frames and we will try to pass our frames. So in our frame, suppose it is a normal camera, right? That we have opened. So it contains a background as well. So we will try to pass this frame in this function, right? We will try to pass in this face into this function to remove our background, or you can say to crop our image, right? Okay, let me rub it. After that, what we are seeing over there, if my face is already a numpy array, right? So what we do, just try to resize my camera window and try to do one thing, try to convert it into RGB. Simple. Because we want to, suppose we want to test our RGB image, so just try to do it and finally try to convert that image into a array, right? Try to convert that image into an array. Now after that, we have to just use a function np.expand dimension, so it will try to give me a dimension over there of that array, right? After that, we are going to just use our model.predict. Now if you let me execute this first, right? Let me execute it, so I have to show you that how output works. So after that, what we are going to do, we have to just pass our over there, pass this array to predict over there. So try to understand what this function will do. np.argmax, np.argmax. Inside this, we have a prediction. So if you remember, we have used our softmax function over there, right? So what about what softmax function will do? So it will try to give me two values, right? It will try to give me two probabilities like 0.90 or 0.40, right? So if you remember, we have first folder Hirsch, second folder we have Jia. So what it will do, it will try to give me the axis of that. If my class will be, if my maximum value is 0.90, right? First of all, it will try to see the maximum value, and wherever we have a maximum value, it will try to give me the index of that. Suppose in that case, we have a high value 0.90. So what is the index of that? 0, right? Because in our Python, our index always starts from 0, right? So let me rub it right now. Now, if you remember, I have my first class is Harsh, second class I have Jia, right? So if it is my 0, I want to write Harsh. If it is 1, so I want to write Jia. If it is not a 0 and 1, otherwise it is not possible, right? If it is not, then simple write unknown. So initially, initially it will be unknown, right? It will be unknown because we have not detected anything over there. So you can see over there, just paste, just write over there Harsh. Now what is the meaning of that, right? If you remember, it will try to detect my face over there, right? If it is 0, try to write over the Harsh. Simple. If not, else Jia. If my face is not available, just write no face found. And finally, try to give me that camera window. This is it. This function is doing right now. So let me execute it one by one. Let me show you that how it works, right? So okay, this is fine. Now try to see over there. It will try to pop up my window. So let me see this window is works or not. It should pop up my window. Okay, now see it is working right now fine, right? Guys, try to understand. This is very easy, and I hope you guys like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, right? So try to copy this code if you are not able to do it, right? Try to understand this work over there. And please finally subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.